While technology brings improvements and ease to our daily lives, it also does the same in the time of emergencies, disasters, and it fulfills purposes of significant importance. And a clear example of one such piece of technology has been created by an Indian startup, Indro-Wings, called the Cyber One. It's a drone meant to be used by government and private agencies for multiple different purposes, all through the capabilities that it comes with. The drone comes with a 30x zoom camera. It can fly at a maximum speed of 100 km per hour. It takes less than 2 minutes for the drone to start and take flight. While in flight, it has a 360-degree radar sensor that prevents it from colliding with anything that comes in its way. And it also has a triple fail-safe redundancy in place, which enables it to automatically return to the place that it took flight from. It activates automatically whenever there is any kind of communication failure, high wind speed, battery imbalance, or when the battery is low or if the temperature around the drone is higher than what it can handle. And all of these features make it capable of assisting with tasks like monitoring or mapping in various kinds of situations, finding out the source of a leakage in a situation of a gas leak in an oil refinery, inspecting gas pipelines, mapping out roads, forests, railway lines, inspecting areas for mining or even agriculture. The drone also comes with technology that makes it extremely critical for the government during disaster management. It comes with a tether system which consists of a remote power backup unit that enables it to be in the air for assistance for hours more than the 65 minutes of default flight time. It comes with a wireless public address system where it can relay the voice of a user to a crowd even if the user is much further away from it through the speaker on board. And it also works with AI-based algorithms and optical sensors to follow a particular person of interest or a vehicle. With all such incredible technology at work, Indro-Wings has surely created a device that can be of extreme importance to not only agencies and companies, but also parts of the population of the country in times of disaster, both natural or man-made. And we are excited about where the Cyber One goes in the future.